All right, fellas, today is no time to play. You need your power, your energy all the time. And today we're going to be talking about a testosterone boosting meal. Everything in here is designed to increase your testosterone. And hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B, and for the last 23 years, been a men's performance coach with GoodWood. And today, I get this question all the time. Hey, what do you eat? What should I eat to improve my testosterone? Well, we're going to get into it by taking a whole bunch of testosterone boosting foods individually, all natural, put them together, and we're going to talk about why we're doing it and what the effects are. And then, of course, I get to taste it and you get to try it. We're going to have the recipe down below. And the thing is, we try to get this as simple as possible so you can make this and be about your way. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, hit that like button, that subscribe button, because what I'm going to do, what we do around here all the time, is break this down till it cannot be broken anymore. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. And first of all, I want to say there isn't any one food that's just the king of all testosterone boosting supplements. We're talking to guys all over the planet, and what I have here, you may not have there, but what do they all have in common? They're plants. They're plant-based. We're here to get the energy from the plant and put that inside of us. So, when it comes to erections, that's nothing but energy. So if you're eating death, that's the opposite of what you should be eating. So though we're going to be cooking, we're going to be sauteing around here, it's always best to get the live food, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, legumes, nuts, all that stuff. Get that into your system. That's all energy, but we're going to take what we got right here, combine it, and make it delicious. This meal plan means there's no processed foods in here. And the reason for that is because what you eat, especially before sex, has a huge impact on what you do. It's just like we talk about being a sexual performance athlete around here, and you need to eat like the athlete would for your sexual performance. So let's get into it, because the ingredients, let's run it down. We're talking about 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. We have our mushrooms in the house, Portabello. We have spinach, fresh baby spinach, 1 sliced up avocado, 1 banana, a bowl of cherries, black beans and pine nuts, and we have, of course, our seasonings. I'm going with paprika, cayenne pepper to give it that little sauce, and a little lemon salt. You don't want to go too far with your salt in your foods. And I've been adding some organic worcestershire sauce. And of course, just onions and garlic for spice and seasoning, and they are both great for your testosterone as well. So basically, we're just going to break it down. It's really simple. We're sauteing our spinach and our mushrooms. We got the olive oil in there. We're just leaving it in there for a good 5 minutes to make sure everything gets tender. I'm going to show you what you need to do with the portobello mushrooms just to prep it for this particular recipe. And in a separate pan, we're going to go ahead and make up the black beans. Very simple, very straight to the point. Put it into the sauce, make it itself, season it up, and let's go. So this nutrient-packed dish combines a whole bunch of things you need in your life. All of it's going to boost your testosterone. And let me go ahead and break that down. Ginger boosts your blood circulation and supports healthy testosterone and libido. And if you're trying to have that baby, it improves your sperm quality and fertility. Extra virgin olive oil is good for your cardiovascular system and is essential for strong blood flow to your sexual organs. And basically, it helps reduce oxidative stress so your body can function properly. And when it comes to the mushrooms, you're enhancing that endurance. And that's going to contribute to your overall sexual performance, because you want to be able to last as long as you want. And it helps regulate hormone levels. Now, when it comes to that spinach, it's rich in nitrates, and that's going to help you with your blood flow, the circulation. Everything needs to be working correctly when you get the spinach in you. And of course, it's going to help with your muscle build, the muscles. And that avocado, you got the healthy fats that are needed for testosterone production, and it contains vitamin E that's going to help with that sperm mobility. And that banana, high in potassium, so that's helping to support muscle function. And that vitamin B6 that it has in there helps with testosterone regulation. When it comes to the beans, if you can get that organic, go for it. Excellent source of zinc, and is needed for healthy testosterone production. Now, when it comes to the pine nuts, we're just gonna have that sitting on top, because why not? It's got that zinc, arginine, and all the other things that are necessary for a healthy sexual function. So there we have it, fellas. That's the breakdown of it. So let's get to chopping and mixing. Let's go. All right, let's get into these Portabello mushrooms. Just making it real simple with the choppings. You want to season your pan with that olive oil in there. So yeah, we're gonna make a little dessert with this banana and with these cherries. Very simple, very straight to the point. You can make this whenever you need to and make it hot. You get a little bit messy here, but that's what it takes to get the cherries going. Yes, this is a bloody Sunday. And this is what it looks like when it all comes together. Testosterone power! So there you have it. So if you want to look good, you want to feel good, and you want to do good, you got to get the food that's going to taste good and give you that energy. Let's chow down. So that's it, fellas. That's how we get down in the kitchen with that testosterone boosting energy food. Make sure you check out the list below so you can get yours and make it whatever things you need to substitute it, make it yours so you can enjoy it and get that good wood. This is Uncle B saying hit the subscription link, make sure you do all those other things and get your game up and go hard. Peace out.